Hello friends, I'm Shivam Yadav and welcome to my channel iTech Warrior. Friend, this is part 5 of polymorphism. In this video, I will demonstrate about method hiding. So let's start. Method hiding exactly same as method overriding. Method hiding, or we can say that method shadowing, is also approach of re-implementing a parent class's method under the child class exactly with the same name and same signature. Re-implementing parent classes method under the child class, method overriding, method hiding, or we can say that shadowing. In both case we can re-implementing the parent classes method under the child class, but the main difference is that method overriding with permission, or method hiding without permission. In method overriding, we can re-implement the parent methods under the child class with permission, or in method hiding, we can parent class method under the child class without permission. In case of overriding, child class re-implements its parent classes method which are declared as virtual. Whereas in case of hiding, child class can re-implement parents method even if the method is not declared as virtual. So the difference is in overriding we declare the parents method virtual, but in hiding we cannot declare any virtual method, but we re-implement in child class. Here you can see the small example of method overriding and method hiding. In method hiding, parent class have a virtual method, and this method override in child class with override keyword. In method hiding, we cannot use any virtual keyword here, but in child class we can write a same method and same name with same name, and access the method. See, both the examples are different. So this example, let's understand with practical in Visual Studio. So flip to Visual Studio and do it practically. So friends, here we already create a class method overloading. In this class, we write a method test1, and the message is test1 parent method calling, and this method is inherited by child class, and in the child class we re-implement the test1 method. So here we re-implement void test1 method, and the message show test1 child method calling. Your dot test1 console read line, save and run. So the output is test1 child class method calling. but here you can see the one warning. Let's see the warning. Warning is test one method hides inherited member. Method hiding test one method using the new keyword if hiding was intended. This method shows to if you want to use the hiding the test method, so you can use the keyword new to tell the compiler you can intentionally hide the method, hide the parent class method. To intentionally do this, so you can use the new keyword. So no warning is show here. So let's run again. The output is as expected. Test one child method calling. So this is the method hiding example. I hope you understand this. So friends, let's understand one more thing here. The compiler always call local method, always call child class methods. In case if you want to call the parent class method exactly defined in parent class, so how can it possible? So after implementing parent classes method under the child classes instant it will start calling the local methods. Only that is the re-implemented methods. But if required, in any case, we can also call the parent classes method from child classes by using two approaches. So the two approaches is first approach is by creating the instance of a parent class under the child class. We can call parents method from child class. First approach is if you want to call the parent method exactly same as defined in parent class, so how can it possible? So create an instance of parent class. So method hiding ms dot test one, save and run. Output is test one parent method calling and test one child method calling. So this is the first approach. You can access the parent class method as exactly same by creating the instance of a parent class, and the second approach is by using the base keyword. Also we can call parents method from child class, but keyword like this and base cannot be used from static block. In a static block you cannot use the base keyword in static block. So let's do the second approach. Public void parent test one and base dot test method, and here row dot test one, save and run. So the output is different. So Okay, here you can write parent test, save and run. So the output is exactly same as first approach. So these two approaches, we can access the parent class method if in any case we require the parent class method exactly same as defined in parent method. Why? So one more thing, understand here why we use base keyword outside the static blocks, because static in static blocks we cannot use the base or this keyword in static blocks. That's why we create a interface. This is we can call as interface. This method is so friends, I hope you understand these things and method hiding and so friends, please watch my previous videos of the series polymorphism part 1 introduction and polymorphism part 2 method overloading and polymorphism part 3 method overriding, polymorphism part 4 operator overloading and polymorphism part 5 method hiding. This video is in polymorphism part 5 method hiding. So please watch the previous videos of the series. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.